Erosion, types of erosion, factors influencing erosion, effects of erosion, erosion control and mitigation. Erosion is a natural process that involves the wearing away or removal of soil, rock, or other materials on the Earth's surface by the action of various agents, such as water, wind, ice, and gravity. It is a fundamental geomorphic process that contributes to the shaping of landscapes over time. Erosion is a dynamic and complex phenomenon that occurs in different forms and scales across various environments. Here's a detailed description of erosion. Types of erosion: water erosion, sheet erosion, occurs when thin layers of soil are removed uniformly from a large area, often due to rainfall. Rill erosion involves the formation of small channels or depressions in the soil caused by the concentrated flow of water. Gully erosion results in the development of larger and deeper channels in the landscape due to the continuous and concentrated flow of water. Wind erosion occurs in arid and semi-arid regions where loose, dry, and unconsolidated soil particles are lifted and transported by the wind, common in deserts, agricultural fields with poor vegetation cover, and areas with exposed, loose soil. Glacial erosion is caused by the movement of glaciers over the landscape. Glaciers transport and erode rocks and soil, carving out valleys and shaping the terrain. Processes include plucking, lifting of rocks by the glacier, and abrasion, grinding of rock surfaces by the movement of glacial ice and debris. Gravity erosion, mass wasting or gravity-driven erosion involves the downslope movement of rock and soil under the influence of gravity. Examples include landslides, rockfalls, and slumping. Factors influencing erosion: vegetation cover. Plants help stabilize the soil by reducing the impact of raindrops, enhancing soil structure, and slowing down water and wind flow. Deforestation and loss of vegetation increase the vulnerability to erosion. Topography: steep slopes are more susceptible to erosion as gravity plays a more prominent role in transporting materials downslope. Climate: regions with intense rainfall or high wind speeds are more prone to erosion. Arid regions with sparse vegetation are also susceptible to wind erosion. Soil composition: soil texture, structure, and cohesion influence how easily soil particles can be detached and transported. Sandy soils are more prone to erosion than clayey soils. Human activities: agriculture, construction, deforestation, and mining can accelerate erosion by disrupting natural vegetation, altering drainage patterns, and exposing soil to erosive forces. Effects of erosion: loss of soil fertility. Erosion can lead to the removal of the nutrient-rich topsoil, reducing soil fertility and affecting agricultural productivity. Sedimentation: eroded materials are transported by water and deposited in rivers, lakes, and coastal areas, contributing to sedimentation. This can impact aquatic ecosystems and water quality. Landform changes: erosion plays a significant role in shaping landforms, creating features such as valleys, canyons, and coastal cliffs. Infrastructure damage: erosion can threaten infrastructure, leading to issues such as landslides, increased sedimentation in waterways, and damage to roads and buildings. Environmental degradation: increased erosion can contribute to environmental degradation, affecting ecosystems, biodiversity, and overall landscape stability. Erosion control and mitigation: vegetative cover. Planting cover crops and maintaining natural vegetation helps reduce soil erosion by stabilizing the soil and absorbing excess water. Terracing: constructing terraces on steep slopes helps to slow down water runoff, reducing the risk of erosion. Contour plowing: plowing along the contour lines of the land helps minimize water runoff and soil erosion. Sediment control structures: installing structures such as sediment basins, silt fences, and check dams helps trap and control sediment transport. Covering exposed soil: mulching, using cover crops, or implementing other soil cover practices help protect the soil from the impact of raindrops and wind. Understanding erosion processes and implementing effective erosion control measures are crucial for sustainable land management and the conservation of soil resources. Erosion control is essential for maintaining soil fertility, protecting ecosystems, and mitigating the negative impacts on human infrastructure.
Please like, share, and subscribe Teacher G.